teach you the moon rises over the sea in 3 minutes. First, create the moon by pressing Shift+A to create a new UV sphere. Create the material, directly drag the moon texture from the folder and connect it to the emission option. Display the render preview in the Eevee renderer, then press Shift and A to create a color gradient node. I chose a yellow moon here, but you can modify it according to your preference. Adjust emission intensity as needed. Press Shift+A to create mapping and texture coordinate nodes to easily adjust the moon's texture. Simply adjust it to the appropriate size and position. Then, open Ambient Occlusion, Glow, and Screen Space Reflections to illuminate your moon. The second step is to create the Starry Sky by clicking on the world environment. Select the sky texture and lower the sun's altitude to achieve the dimming effect of the evening sky. Welcome to the world and press Shift and A to create a color mix node. Next, proceed to create the mapping range and the Voronoi texture. Here, everyone is welcome to replicate my parameters to attain the effect of twinkling stars, or you may experiment with various parameters to craft distinct visual effects. Stars are starting to appear. Formulating a gradient node has the capability to alter the hue of the small star. This particular node has the potential to assist everyone in altering the color of the sky. Simply select the one you prefer, and the starry sky will be fully completed. Step 3. To create the water surface, press Shift+A to create a new plane and assign a new material to it. Set metallic to max and transmission roughness to 0. Transmission roughness is 1.3 and 33. Press Shift+A to create a bump node. Add the noise texture. You can explore the parameters on your own, or simply follow mine. Feel free to make bold, casual changes. They'll all create great visual effects. The shimmering water surface effect has been removed. Step 4 involves creating a new camera by pressing Shift+A to add a camera. Once you have selected the camera, navigate to the output page and adjust it to achieve the desired aspect ratio and size. After selecting the camera, proceed to the camera data section. You can hide the unnecessary parts of the view display. Click on Object Properties to adjust the camera's position for a good composition. Once satisfied, move to the final step of creating and rendering the animation. The setting is 24 frames per second. There are a total of 120 frames, which equals 5 seconds. After choosing the location where you want to save the output parameters, just follow my settings. Make sure to select the water surface material at frame 0 on the timeline. Right-click on the W option in the noise texture, and click to insert a keyframe. Then go to the last frame to change the W parameter. And proceed to repeat the earlier steps. Press the spacebar, and the water surface will begin to ripple. Finally, the animation rendering process is complete. Did everyone manage to learn it?